How to build an emergency fund. Tips for financial security. Financial security is a fundamental aspect of leading a stable and stress-free life. One crucial tool in achieving this security is an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a safety net that provides financial stability during unexpected circumstances, like medical emergencies, car repairs, home maintenance, or sudden job loss. Having a well-established emergency fund ensures you are prepared for life's unforeseen curveballs. Here we are exploring what an emergency fund is, why it's essential, how to calculate the right amount, and effective strategies to build and maintain this critical financial cushion. Understanding the importance of an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a buffer between you and unexpected financial challenges. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can arise at any moment. Without a safety net, you might resort to borrowing money, dipping into your retirement savings, or accumulating debit or credit cards, all of which can have long-term detrimental effects on your financial health. An emergency fund serves multiple purposes. Financial security. It provides a sense of financial security, reducing anxiety and stress during uncertain times. Avoid debt. Having savings to cover emergencies helps avoid debt and the associated interest payment. Peace of mind. An emergency fund offers peace of mind, knowing you can handle unexpected expenses without jeopardizing your financial goals. Preserve investment. It allows you to leave your investment untouched, preventing you from liquidating them at unfavorable times. Calculating the right amount of your emergency fund. Determining the appropriate size of your emergency fund involves assessing your individual circumstances and financial obligations. A common recommendation is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. However, this figure can vary based on factors such as your job stability, health, lifestyle, and financial goals. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Redirect the money saved from reducing non-essential expenses toward your emergency fund. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to increase your income, such as a part-time job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. Allocate this extra income directly to your emergency fund. Redirect windfalls. When you receive unexpected money like a tax refund, bonus, or gift, consider allocating a portion of it to your emergency fund. Windfalls can significantly boost your savings. Use windfalls strategically. Whenever you experience a decrease in regular expenses like paying off a debt, redirect the money you were allocating to the expense towards your emergency fund. This way, you maintain your savings momentum. Optimize your spending. Shop smartly by using coupons, comparing prices, and taking advantage of discounts. The money saved can be parked into your emergency fund. Track progress and adjust. Regularly monitor your progress towards your emergency fund goal. Adjust your contributions as necessary based on changes in your financial situations or goals. Avoid temptations. Resist the urge to dip into your emergency fund for non-emergencies. Create mental barriers and remind yourself for the fund's purpose: to protect you during unexpected financial crises. Invest the fund wisely. Consider placing your emergency fund in a high-yield saving account or a low-risk investment to generate some return while keeping the money accessible. Replenish promptly. If you use from your emergency fund, make it a priority to replenish them as soon as possible. This ensures you are always prepared for the next unforeseen expense. Here is the conclusion. Building an emergency fund is a vital step towards achieving financial security and peace of mind. By calculating the right amount, setting clear goals, and using these effective strategies, you can easily build your emergency fund.